First dialogue. At the supermarket. Listen and practice.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I need milk, bread, and eggs.
The milk is in aisle 3, bread is in aisle 4, and eggs are at the back.
Thank you. How much is the bread?
It's $2.50.
Great. I'll take one.
Dialogue 2. At a coffee shop.
Hello. What would you like to order?
Hi, can I have a coffee, please?
Sure. What size? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Would you like anything else?
Yes, a chocolate muffin.
That will be $5.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Enjoy your coffee.
Dialogue 3. Asking for directions.
Excuse me. How do I get to the train station?
Walk straight for 2 blocks, then turn left.
Thank you. Is it far?
No, it's about a 5-minute walk.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
Dialogue 4. At a restaurant.
Good evening. Can I take your order?
Yes, I'd like a pizza and a soda, please.
What kind of pizza would you like?
A cheese pizza.
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Dialogue 5. At the park.
Hi. Nice to see you.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. What about you?
I'm fine, thanks. It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Let's take a walk.
Great idea.
Dialogue 6. At the bus stop.
Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?
No, you need bus number 10.
Thank you. Do you know when it will arrive?
In about 10 minutes.
Thanks a lot.
Dialogue 7. At the doctor's office.
Good morning. What seems to be the problem?
Good morning. I have a sore throat and a fever.
I see. Let me check your temperature.
Okay, thank you.
You have a slight fever. I'll prescribe some medicine.
Thank you, doctor.
Dialogue 8. At the airport.
Good afternoon. May I see your passport?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes. 1 suitcase.
Great. Here's your boarding pass. Have a good flight.
Thank you.
Dialogue 9. At school.
Good morning, class. How is everyone today?
Good morning, teacher. I'm fine, thank you.
I'm good too, thank you.
Excellent. Today, we will learn about colors. What color is the sky?
The sky is blue.
That's right.
Dialogue 10. At a party.
Welcome. I'm so glad you could come.
Thank you for inviting me.
Please, help yourself to some food and drinks.
Everything looks delicious. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Dialogue 11. At a hotel.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I do. My name is Shimmer.
Let me check. Yes, we have your booking. Here is your room key.
Thank you. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.
Great. Thanks.
Dialogue 12. At a clothing store.
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a jacket.
What size do you need?
Medium, please.
How about this one?
It looks nice. How much is it?
It's $40.
I'll take it. Thank you.
Dialogue 13. Booking a taxi.
Hello. I need a taxi to the airport.
Sure. What time do you need it?
At 6 tomorrow.
No problem. What is your address?
123 Main Street.
Got it. The taxi will be there at 6 a.m.
Thank you.
Dialogue 14. Meeting new friends.
Hi. My name is Alex. What's your name?
Hello, Alex. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from Australia.
Dialogue 15. At the library.
Good afternoon. Can I help you?
Yes. I'm looking for a book about history.
Sure. The history section is over there.
Thank you. Can I borrow this book?
Yes. Just bring it to the desk.
Great. Thanks.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Please subscribe to English Evolution Step 1 for more practical English lessons.